May bagong Chinese hot pot sa Tomas Morato. Since super lapit sa amin itong 1+1 hot pot tapos 599 lang yung rate. And mukhang authentic kasi Chinese yung owner. Sobrang na-curious talaga kami. Included na rin yung grill option. May marinated skewers, chicken wings, luncheon meat, sausage, and even manto. For someone like me na hindi fan ng sobrang madaming options sa hot pot, medyo overwhelming siya. But of course, exception yung veggies and mushrooms. Love natin yan eh. Sobrang stand out itong US beef nila, quality talaga. And their pre-made dipping sauce, parang one of the best na na-try namin. Pag nagpunta kayo dito, get the pre-made sauce na lang. Sa beef talaga, we weren't expecting much eh, pero ang tender niya and at the same time, very lean. Sa broth naman, both were decent. Mas nagustuhan namin yung regular lang. The mala was just okay. Kulang lang ng kick pa siguro. Sa sides naman, sakto lang din. Yung kimchi was not that good, pero super nagustuhan namin yung pickled radish, ang refreshing. Okay rin yung beef balls, and in fairness naman sa mga grill items, everything was good kasi ang sarap ng mismong marinade sa meats. Pero as